Martin, great to be here with you in the Nuneaton showroom. Purpose of this video is to talk about an event that's happening for XYZ on the 23rd of February.
Correct.
The opening of your new place in Scotland, I believe.
It is, yeah. So we're opening it up in Livingston. So we used to be there many years ago, but we've got another showroom there again now. So it's really exciting.
And you've got this showroom here in Nuneaton, we can see today, and I'm sure this is probably similar most days, is it? You utilise these for training and for demonstrations, is that the benefit?
That's right, yeah. Customers then don't have to travel as far. You know, if they want to come and see a demonstration, or once they've actually bought a machine, they want to come and have some training, it's ideal.
So if you were in Scotland now then, where would you go if you wanted to see an XYZ machine other than a user?
Well, you'd probably have to travel down to Sheffield at the moment, or jump on a plane and go down to the head office in Devon.
Okay, so the 23rd of February, for those watching, if they want to see XYZ machine tools, there's quite a few models, I believe. There's going to be live demonstrations, I believe, from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
Correct.
And the kind of machines that customers can expect to see there, Martin, include your popular KMX turret mills, the Prototrack controlled RMX bed mills and RLX lathes. You'll have your linear rail XYZ machines, the 750, also the 800 HD model, a CT65 LTY turning centre. So within amongst that, there's lots of technology, isn't there?
Yeah, it's a snippet of the full range. That's what we've got there.
How close is it to Edinburgh as well for those? And we are going to put a map on the screen, but on the 23rd of February, if people want to come along, how close?
I'm pretty sure it's about 4 miles. It's very close.
Right, okay, so even if you were travelling, I mean, geographically, that's fairly centrally located, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what we wanted.
Perfect location. Okay, so the open day starts at 9 and finishes at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Correct.
How exciting is this for XYZ, Martin? It's part of your expansion program,
It's very
isn't
good, yeah. We've wanted to do it for a long time, but obviously certain things have got in the way. But yeah, we're really excited now to push this along. It's really going to help out with sales up there.
Okay, visit xyzmachinetools.com to find out more about the open day. But as I said during this interview, it's the 23rd of February in Livingston in Scotland from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Loads of machines there to be seen, and also an incentive to those that visit of a Ceratizit tooling voucher. Find out more at xyzmachinetools.com.